So once again, my main thing about eyebrows is the initial shape. You get to decide. You draw the outer two lines, the underline and the upper brow line. And then once you've drawn it, you get to fill it in. Decide if this is what you want, how you want it. With me, I have multiple mirrors. I check all three. Because you never know. You like the brows to me are the most important part of your face routine. Like honestly and truly, brows. Extremely important. You see, I'm going just all the way under, getting my line, and then coming over, following the top line, but ensuring that it's straight enough. Deciding how thick we want it to be. Trying to make them sisters because honestly, they're not going to be twins. I mean, anyone who can make them twins, God bless you. But me, she, me, her, absolutely not. Can't make it happen. Sorry. It's not my thing. And so I'm bringing it, filling it in, back filling to the front. And then you decide how close you want your brows to be, how square you want them to be, all that jazz. I would prefer you not square them off that much, but I ain't gotta look at you. You know, you need to think about what's aesthetically pleasing to the rest of the world. Should they be super square? Will the world like that they're super square? Probably not. You're gonna scare small children. Those super squared off brows. As these are right now. So, I'm gonna take my handy dandy spoolie. I have this spoolie. I have like 5 different spoolies like this. I don't know where they come from, but they just show up. And so now it's blending out the beginning and blending through what you drew in. Like you want it to be a little, I kind of made that one a little bit like a squiggle at the beginning, so I'm probably gonna fix that. But you know, blend, 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 blend. And it's up to you. Like you have to get it to the point where you're happy with your blending situation. Any changes you need to make. It's just pencil. Swipe it off. Now my eyebrows are not perfect as it pertains to shape. They really aren't. Not anymore, because I let someone touch my eyebrows that I wasn't expecting. I thought the girl was just wiping the tint off of my eyebrows, you know, getting me prepared for my real eyebrow girl. Next thing I know, because my eyes are closed, next thing I feel is wax on my brow. I'm like, girl, you don't know me. Why is you put wax on my eyebrows? Like, I really thought she was about to pass me off to my real eyebrow girl. I was very, very upset by that. I was very surprised. I feel like my eyebrow girl was watching me with the girl and she was confused, but she didn't say nothing. So I'm like, hello. I still love her though, and I will be back to see her as soon as I get back to Atlanta. And I will be writing on my little thing when I sign in her name only. I'm not coming from out of town to have somebody else touch my eyebrows. Like, no, it's not happening. Anywho, enough about that little rant. I'm gonna go ahead and put on concealer onto my lid so that way we can start the eye makeup portion.